Smart toilets bring features like heated seats, bidet washing, automatic flushing, and self-cleaning that make everyday use more comfortable. They cost more than standard toilets, but for many buyers, the upgrade is worth it. Today, I'm ranking the 7 best smart toilets of 2026, from affordable smart toilet seats to premium integrated models. Links are in the description and updated regularly. Let's get into it. Opening at number 7, the Horow X70 earns its position as the most hygiene-focused smart toilet on this list. And the foam shield technology is the feature that no other pick here offers, and that addresses one of the most underappreciated bathroom hygiene concerns. The foam shield automatically creates a dense foam layer in the bowl when you sit. That foam performs 3 functions simultaneously. It buffers falling waste to prevent the splashback that conventional toilets create, traps odors within the foam layer for fresher air during use, and lubricates the bowl surface to prevent waste adhesion that requires scrubbing during cleaning. For buyers who've dealt with the cleaning challenges of standard toilet bowls, the Foam Shield's bowl lubrication effect alone is a meaningful quality-of-life upgrade. Its hands-free operation automatically opens, flushes, and closes the lid, while ambient sensors adjust the seat, water, and dryer temperatures for year-round comfort. For buyers who prioritize hygiene innovation and fully touch-free operation with a useful power outage backup, the Horow X70 is the pick. Number 6 is the American Standard Advanced Clean 100 Spaylet, and the 2-nozzle independent positioning system combined with the American Standard brand reliability earns this toilet its position for buyers who want comprehensive bidet functionality from a trusted American brand. The 2 independent nozzles with separate front and back positioning are the bidet's engineering distinction. The front feminine wash nozzle and the rear posterior nozzle operate independently rather than sharing one nozzle with different spray angles. That independence allows precise positioning for each function without the compromise of a single nozzle serving both purposes. 5 instant heated water temperatures provide enough range to find a genuinely comfortable setting for any user. The massage mode with pulsing posterior stream, adjustable spray strength and width, and self-cleaning nozzle that retracts when not in use complete the bidet feature set. For buyers who specifically want American Standard brand quality with independent dual-nozzle bidet positioning, the Spaylet earns its recommendation. Number 5 is the BioBidet UXT Pearl. The foot-operated sensor is the feature that distinguishes the UXT Pearl from every other pick on this list. A foot trigger that operates lid and flush functions without any hand contact and without requiring bending or reaching. For users with limited mobility, post-surgical recovery, arthritis, or any condition that makes reaching the remote or side panel challenging, foot operation changes the accessibility equation entirely. Most smart toilet marketing addresses convenience. The BioBidet's foot sensor addresses genuine accessibility. The flat, elongated seat is the design choice that maximizes usable seating area. Curved seats create a narrower, effective sitting surface, while the flat, elongated design of the UXT Pearl provides more room for a broader range of body types. The side control knob with a backlit design handles nighttime operation without fumbling for the remote in the dark. The in-bowl nightlight guides the approach in darkness. For accessibility-focused buyers and anyone who wants foot-operated control as the primary interaction method, the BioBidet UXT Pearl is the pick. At number 4, the BioBidet BB2000 earns its position as the best bidet seat upgrade on this list. The pick for buyers who want smart toilet bidet features without replacing an existing toilet they're satisfied with. Every other pick on this list is a complete integrated toilet. The BioBidet BB2000 is a bidet seat that attaches to your existing elongated toilet, transforming a standard toilet into a smart toilet experience without the cost or installation complexity of a full replacement. For buyers in apartments where toilet replacement isn't permitted, in homes where the existing toilet is in excellent condition, or for anyone who wants to test smart toilet features before committing to a full integrated unit, the BB2000 is the logical entry point. Tankless heating provides unlimited warm water, while stainless steel nozzles improve durability. A heated seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, nightlight, and wireless remote complete the premium feature set. For buyers who want the smart toilet experience without the full replacement commitment, the BioBidet BB2000 is the most practical entry point on this list. The bronze medal goes to the Kohler Veil, and the smartphone-like LCD touchscreen remote is the control interface innovation that defines this toilet's user experience advantage over every other pick on this list. Every other smart toilet on this list uses a traditional button remote. The Kohler Veil's remote uses an LCD touchscreen that operates like a smartphone. Intuitive interface navigation without physical buttons to memorize or press in the dark. The remote pairs with the Kohler smartphone app for expanded customization beyond what the remote alone enables. The wall-mountable docking station keeps the remote accessible and charged at all times. That remote ecosystem is the user experience investment that Kohler made in the Veil's design. A pump-assisted dual flush delivers powerful performance, while battery backup keeps the toilet working during outages. The bidet nozzle also self-cleans using UV light and electrolyzed water. For buyers who prioritize the most sophisticated remote control interface and Kohler brand reliability, the Veil earns the third position. Number 2 is the Woodbridge B0960S. The Woodbridge B0960S is positioned as the entry point for integrated smart toilets, covering the essential features that make a smart toilet worth buying without the premium pricing of the flagship models above it. An auto-open and close lid, heated seat, bidet spray with multiple modes via the mountable wireless remote, carbon deodorizing filter, automatic single flush, and the blue glow nightlight that provides dark navigation all arrive in a package that costs meaningfully less than Toto and Kohler alternatives. The one-piece skirted design is the aesthetic achievement at this price, sleek and contemporary in appearance without the price premium that the top-tier models carry for equivalent visual cleanliness. The integrated design eliminates the crevices between tank and bowl that two-piece toilets create and that collect the grime that makes bathroom cleaning unpleasant. For buyers who want a complete integrated smart toilet with the core feature set at the most accessible price on this list, the Woodbridge B0960S delivers that value proposition honestly. And the best smart toilet of 2026 is the Toto Neorest RS, the toilet that earns the top position through the most complete feature set, the most efficient water usage, and the engineering quality that comes from Toto's decades of smart toilet innovation that no competing brand approaches. The pre-mist spray helps prevent waste from sticking before use, while Toto's ceramic glaze and electrolyzed water cleaning keep the bowl cleaner with minimal maintenance. Its dual flush tornado system uses just 1 gallon on the full flush, delivering excellent performance while reducing long-term water usage and utility costs. 4 user profiles let each family member save their preferred settings, while adjustable spray modes, an auto-opening lid, nightlight, and deodorizer add everyday convenience. At the premium price point this toilet occupies, the Toto Neorest RS delivers the most complete, most efficient, and most elegantly engineered smart toilet experience available. For buyers who've decided on a flagship smart toilet and want the definitive choice, this is it. That's your ranked list of the 7 best smart toilets of 2026. Remember to factor in professional installation, since most models require power and proper plumbing. Links are in the description and updated regularly. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.